Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Directions. Beat yolks in a large mixing bowl. Gradually add sugar. Beat until mixture thickens. Stir in milk and rum. Pour into a large punch bowl and chill for 3 to 4 hours. Advertisement. Fold in whipped cream before serving. Garnish with freshly ground nutmeg.
Let's help you make your mark.
While the vast majority of commercial eggnogs are pasteurized, some do not even use eggs. It is still recommended that eggnog not be served to your baby, nor should eggnog be served to toddlers under 2 years of age.
Make your mark, take our lead.
In addition to adding festive cheer to your celebrations, eggnog can certainly get you drunk. It just depends on how you like to drink it. While other drinks serve as good mixers by accident, eggnog's natural state is actually a boozy one.
Make your mark, take our lead.
But as with many holiday treats, eggnog, traditionally made with eggs, cream, milk, and sugar, is loaded with calories, fat, and added sugars. And there's an additional health concern with eggnog. If it's made with raw eggs, it can be a food poisoning risk.
Let's help you make your mark.
Most homemade eggnog recipes have historically included raw eggs. While the alcohol added to many homemade eggnogs is a bactericide, eggnog freshly made from raw eggs that are infected with salmonella and not heated can cause food poisoning. A very small percentage of raw eggs are infected with salmonella.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Is it time to update your eggnog recipes to avoid the risk of foodborne illness? Refrigerated eggs with clean, uncracked shells can still be contaminated with salmonella bacteria. Eggs must be cooked to 160 degrees Fahrenheit to kill bacteria such as salmonella that may be present.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.